Hey guys, today we're talking about 6.3 area of oblique triangles. First off, I have to say a shout out to Dewan. He caught my mistake in the video from 6.2. So good job on that one. You guys have to make sure you're paying attention in here. Okay, so first off, let's give you a definition of oblique triangles. Okay, oblique triangles is a triangle which does not have a right angle. So the standard formula for area of a triangle, the 1/2 base times height, that's implying that the height is, that angle created is a right angle. So it would not work for oblique triangles. Okay, so let me just give you the formula first. I feel like that's probably the best way to handle it, so you can highlight it, box it out in your notebook. So in triangle ABC, area of the triangle equals, we still have 1/2, but you're going to do base, not base, I meant B. You're going to do side length B times side length C of sine A. Okay, so our triangle looks like this. Remember, it's opposite, the side length A is opposite angle A. Okay? Okay, so main thing is that B and C, and then it's this angle between, because you might not necessarily, they might ask you to find, they might give you angle C and then lengths B and A. All you have to notice is that you're using the two sides between the angle, okay? So let's work a problem out. So example 1. So I want you to find the area of this triangle. So you have 71, 15, and 13. Just because I think some of y'all get so used to ABC, I don't want you to let hinder you understanding the concept. So notice, it's the two sides between the angle. So even if I gave you a length here, you're not going to use the length of YZ. Okay? So the area would be 1/2 times 15 times 13 times the sine of 71 degrees. Okay? And you'll get your area to be 92.2. Okay? One more example and then we'll be done with this video. We've got, I want you to find the area of HPJ. If H is 5, P is 7, and J is 11. Okay? Now, notice we don't have an angle measurement, so you have to do the law of cosines. Now, a formula I did not show you, that I did not show you when we did law of cosines the first day, because I didn't want to confuse you so much. But if you're given 3 angles, or 3 sides, excuse me, and you have to find the measurement of an angle, you take cosine of J, you're going to square 7 and square 5, so the two sides it touches, and then you're subtract by J squared all over 2 times 5 times 7. Okay? So all I did it's still the same formula for law of cosines. It's just it's solved for angle J. Okay? So once you plug that into your calculator, you'll get your angle J is 232 degrees. Okay? So to find the area, we are going to use angle J. And we're going to use 5 and 7 because it's the sides that touch the angles. So 1/2 times 5 times 7 times sine of 132. Once you plug that into your calculator, you get 12.96. That is all you have for notes today. Make sure you look over a little bit tonight, law of sines and law of cosines. We'll have a short little quiz tomorrow. And have the great rest of the night.